Hi everyone, this is Merly. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you my garden plan for the year 2022. This is the plan for my main garden and I am so excited for this garden plan because we are expanding the garden again this year. We have started working in some parts of the garden. In fact, yesterday we installed a couple of kettle panel trellises, one for my cucumbers and one for the smaller watermelon and cantaloupe. So currently I have 7 raised beds, 6 are wooden raised beds. This one right here with the onions, this is made of the Dollar Tree Garden Edger, and I still have to add 2 more. So here on this side, I'll have onions, tomatoes, onions, strawberries will be right here, or they're already here. I have daffodils and tulips right here, lettuce, garlic. These are my fall garlic. This would be carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, lettuce, kale, spinach, and pak choi. And then this one bed here is all peas. Now this is the greenhouse on the left, and this is where I'm gonna plant the peppers in May. I will also add some tomatoes in this area, and then here I will put a white fencing in the corner, put some sunflower, zinnia, marigold, bachelor's buttons, and my plan is to have flowers all over the garden. Garden flag here, some more marigolds in front of the beds, and then summer flowers here with this garden fence. I have some moringa plants in my basement, which will go out to my garden when the temperature is right. Zinnias, moringa, and then this part here will be tomatoes. I will have another trellis right here. So this is the side entrance. And then in this trellis, I will plant some string beans or the Oriental yard-long beans, and then some towers here, a strawberry tower and a salad tower. Potatoes have been planted in this part. These are garlic. And then more tomatoes right here. Another white fence here with the flowers. Butternut squash, gourds, bitter melon will be on this trellis. And then my daughter's garden goes here. This will be my asparagus bed. That's the okra in the back. I am putting the taller plants in the back as well as the taller trellises. I have one grape that's growing in here, planted last year. I'm putting sunflower here, lemongrass, sunflower, and then the second grape. Now behind this grape is my chicken coop. And behind this trellis here is a playground. And then here is, on this corner, I have another fence, gourd, and lemongrass. And then this area will be for corn, and this will extend all the way to the left side. So the addition would be on this side of the garden, where we will expand this to fit all of the corn that we bought. And then we'll have some watermelon. Summer squash will be here, sweet potatoes and potatoes on this side in front of the corn. Now in the middle of this garden, here, so you can see there's a circle. This circle raised bed is my herb garden, and then I'm gonna put a bird bath and a fountain in the middle of it. And I'll add some more potatoes here, peanuts will go in here, some eggplants, bush beans and mung beans will go in this area. My ginger will be planted to the left of the asparagus. Malabar spinach is a warm weather vegetable. And then some yellow watermelon right here. So far, this is the plan for my main garden. I have a different garden for flowers, which I will share with you in the future. This is really very exciting, and I can't wait to have that real warm weather, because right now Mother Nature is playing with us. Last week it was warm, and then we get a lot of rain. But hopefully tomorrow afternoon or maybe on Sunday, we will have a more decent weather. I hope you have your garden plants ready as well, and I hope you will get a great weather to start your garden very soon. That's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.